Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Chiliz. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Chiliz. But my friends, before starting this video, please I request everybody to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. And absolutely my friends, Chiliz Holders, this video special message for all of you my friends. Now my friends, the currently latest price of the Chiliz in the market as 0.261245 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chiliz in the market. And on the other side, if you look the price changes, so every change occurs in the Chiliz is positive. From the last week, the Chiliz price is pumping, and still my friend, the Chiliz price is in the pumping mood. I hope that they give profit, not loss. So I think Chiliz is good for investment because the changes is completely positive. Let me show you the price chart of the Chiliz. You know what, at this time the price jumps, but in the latest situation now, from this time the Chiliz start jumping. I hope that they will continue this kind of pump for a long time. The last 2 hours changes of the Chiliz is a negative, but now the changes will become positive very soon. And now the special message for all Chiliz holders is also that I recommend for everybody that please buy more and more Chiliz, because Chiliz is now trending in the market. So buy now and make yourself rich. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Chiliz? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.